Hello and welcome back by Hopster Coding. Today we're gonna talk about strings. So what is actually a string? A string is actually a word, a sentence, some characters, some numbers. Let's make something. It's not really a data type. It's more like an object, a class. So it's given by Java itself, to make your life easier, a lot easier. So let's create a string. A word. Let's create string word. So that's how you create a string. Now we got a variable word, which can be word hello, like that. Or word can be, okay, what the fuck. Word is like hello everybody. A string is just a bunch of characters, each other, even spaces can be used. Like, yeah, it's like the whole ANSI table, the 128 symbols, like I told you with the characters. Yeah, you can put them all in the string, like this. But what can you do with strings? You can actually just do system.out.println. You can just print out word if you want. That's how it works. Check. Hello everybody. That was a last I did. So that's how it works. But you can also modify some stuff. So like you want to say do you want to get a length, like for example, like system.out.println. There are a lot of functions on the string, so we're gonna get word.length, like you can see here. That gives back the length of the word. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See? That's how it basically works. You can also make some loops at it. So if you make a char C, and you wanna see C is equal to word dot char add, and then you wanna place an index like that's 0, that's 1, that's 2. It always starts at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 5. No, not 5, this will be not C. So let's take 4. That will be the O. So if we now print it out, dot print line, we're gonna print C because the variable of a character we just created. It's gonna say it's an O, just like that. That's how it works. So let's say you want to make this all to uppercase letters. So we're gonna place that. So like that. So let's say the user gives an input with the scanner object, and you want to make it all to uppercase. So what you're gonna do is basically pick a for loop. You're gonna use a for loop for that. If you don't know a for loop, check my previous tutorial. I explained it right there. So we're gonna use a for loop to make them all uppercase. So first of all, we're gonna create a counter. So I'm just gonna call it I because programmers are lazy and we like to be lazy. I, and then we're gonna have a statement, and it's going to be I is less than word.length. So actually, let's just finish the. So that's how it works. So yeah, now it's going to count from 0 to 15, but like I said before, you have to look out for that, because if you run out of its bounds, because if you try to say C is equal to word.char at 16, but it doesn't have 16 characters. So you want to try to pick another and one give error on runtime. The compiler itself, the send can't see if it's out of bounds before you run it, compile it. So you get a runtime error there. Don't want that. So yeah, that's basically what we're gonna do. So you're gonna say C. No, we don't want int k. Let's pick k. So we want to say k is equal. We want to convert it to an int. Word dot share at I. So now we're saying we're picking the index. We're counting from 0 to the maximum of the word. So first you're gonna pick the first one. The I at the start is 0. So we're gonna say convert this character, the h, to an integer. So then we're gonna say k plus 32, like a minus, not plus, sorry. That's how you do it to uppercase. That's how you make an uppercase right there. Then you want to convert it back or make another word. So let's say word 1 is equal to just an empty string. Why is it giving an error? Oh, that's pretty dumb of me. So word 1, it's an empty string. So now we want to say word 1 plus equal to k. Oh, to c, sorry. C. But you have to convert it before. So c is equal to a char and want to k place k. So you're gonna convert the number which you did minus 32 again to a character, which is the uppercase letter of what's here. Yeah, and you're gonna add that to word. So yeah, so I'm gonna system dot out dot print line. We want to print out word 1. So if you run that, it's gonna say hello everybody in uppercase letters. But what happens if you place a H or a E? See, you're gonna mess it up because they're already uppercase letters. How can you fix that? So the ANSI table, you can find them on the internet. I'm just gonna type it here. Ascii code table. That's how it's called. So a lowercase has numbers from sorry about that. And uppercase, lowercase numbers is going from 97 till 132. Yeah. So I'm gonna type it lowercase 97, 102, uppercase 65 till 90. That's how it works. So let's say you want to make it work perfect, so you can you just make it all uppercase. So before taking the character, you're gonna check right here if k is higher than or equal higher or equal than 97. And then log off. Then 97. And we want to have another statement, so it has to be lower than 122. So this is a and this means and k is lower or equal to 122. Then you're going to execute this code. Oh, it's getting pretty messy right here. So let's make it a bit readable. So yeah, what we're doing now is taking the k from the index at char@word. Then we're going to check if k, the number, is higher than 79 and is lower than 122. So you can also have or. That means or, two vertical bars. This means and. So you can add up some statements. So yeah, it has to be higher than 79 and it has to be lower than 122. So when it is that, it's always a lowercase letter. So we want to count it off and then just add it. What you want to do else, if it's not, then it's probably another letter like a space or uppercase letter. Then what we want to do then, we're just gonna get sorry, just gonna copy that and place it right there. So we picked the number, but we're not gonna modify the number. We're just gonna keep the number and add it, just like that. So if you're gonna run it now, you're gonna say hello everybody, still the same as before. If you're gonna make uppercase V, W, uppercase B, uppercase O, and you're gonna run it again, it's still gonna say hello everybody, because the uppercase O isn't between this range. It's gonna skip that and just take the character, the number you took here, and yeah, that's how it works. But of course there's another way to do this, a very easy way. So you want to say word1 is equal to word dot, oh, I'm outside my brackets, that's not good, like there. Word1 is word is equal to word dot to uppercase. Oh, that's pretty handy. Well, that works the same. Now you're saying word1 is equal to word uppercase. It's just to learn working with Java with this stuff. Learn some loops, learn some statements, try some for loops out, nest them, try some typecasting from characters to ints, try making some simple programs like calculating areas or lengths or some stuff. Yeah, just mess around with it, and yeah. Word has a lot of function strings. You can also compare it to other strings, so if it's equal to, yeah, to do some stuff, contains, yeah, there are a lot of stuff you can do with this strings. It really makes your life easier. So yeah, use it. So yeah, just try it, let me know how it went, and like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.